Why your parents force you to eat all kind of food? Let us find out. Various nutrient in food items. A nutrient is a substance that is needed by our body for proper growth. Our body needs various nutrients to remain us healthy and fit to study, play and do all other activities. If we will not get the nutrient present in pulses or in vegetable, that may cause deficiency diseases. So we must include various food items in our meals. Our body requires various nutrients which can be divided into following main categories. Three main categories are there. Energy giving foods, these are the carbohydrates and fats. Second is bodybuilding foods, these are proteins. And third, protective foods, these includes vitamins and minerals. So I understand the about the nutrients is a present in food items to provide nutrition, and deficiency diseases are diseases caused by the lack of a nutrient in our diet for a long duration of time. So energy giving foods are carbohydrates and fats. And for example, rice, wheat, potato, banana and sugar, and fats are ghee and oil. And second is bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding any major nutrients are proteins, animal proteins and plant proteins. Animal proteins like milk, meat, mutton, chicken, fish, egg, white. And plant nutrients, pulses like gram, soybean and peas. In protective food, vitamins and minerals. Green leafy vegetables like spinach, cabbage and vegetables containing dietary fibers such as brinjal, beans and fruits. Carbohydrates. I will study carbohydrate deeply. Carbohydrates supply most of the energy required by our body. Sugar and starch are two main types of carbohydrate. While sugar provides energy instantly, starch takes longer time to release energy. Chapati, paratha, rice, bread contains carbohydrates. The major plant sources of carbohydrates are wheat, rice, maize, potato, sweet potato, bread, sugar, jaggery means good. The animal sources of carbohydrates are honey and milk. Fats. Fats produce more energy than carbohydrates. To stay healthy, we need to have some fats in our diet. What is important is the kind of fat we are eating. Plantains are the main source of fats in the form of vegetable oil and nuts. We get vegetable soybean, sunflower. Nuts like cashew nuts, almonds, and walnuts also contain fats. The animal sources of fats are milk products like butter, ghee, cheese. Other items like milk, meat, fish, and egg also contain some fats. Excess of fats is not good for our body. So cut down on foods such as butter, cheese, cakes, and biscuits. Some fats are essential for health. You can get these fats from food items like peanuts, almonds, hazelnut, walnuts, sunflower oil, soybean oil, and fishes like salmon, tuna, and sardine. Although fats are considered the richest sources of energy, their excessive intake causes obesity and other heart diseases. An obese person cannot be active enough as others can be. So, one should say no to foods like samosas, noodles, and candies. These food items have high fat and sugar content, which is not good for our health. Proteins are the bodybuilding food. Proteins are required for building the body cells and to repair the worn out cells and tissues. They also have help in the growth of the body and strengthen us to fight infections. Sometimes when we get hurt, our skin gets damaged and bleeding occurs. After a few days, we notice a new skin has started covering the damaged area. This is done by proteins which we eat every day in our meals. The sources of plant proteins are pulses like gram, soybean, chickpeas, and kidney beans, means rajma. The sources of animal proteins are eggs, fish, meat, and milk. Now we will take the test. How can we understand this product have a carbohydrate, have a fats, have a proteins? So we will take some test. Carbohydrates are nutrient in food that provide energy. Simple starch and sugars are produced in plant during photosynthesis and broken down by animals during respiration. Take a peeled potato slice or slice of bread, add a few drops of iodine solution to it. The color of these food items changes to blue black. It shows the presence of starch.